Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Erica, and today I have an after dark total mess clean with me video. We let the first floor get a little wild because there had been some rainy days and we've just been hanging out in the house relaxing in our free time. But now it's time to get everything back to normal. Stop what you're doing and get started cleaning along with me for 12 minutes, or watch to get a little inspiration for later. Make sure to subscribe and let me know what's on your to-do list today.
This will be the last call. This will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone.
Part of our rainy day fun was making a hideout by pulling the couch out from the wall and filling it with tons of blankets. The girls have been taking snacks in here, and there are tons of crumbs and little toy pieces to sort through.
Got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star. Baby, I'm lighting up, like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind, and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like.
If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become. Eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they say, this is who I am. This is who I am now. They think that I have lost my mind, that I'm not being true, but they don't have a clue. 'Cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppress to fit in a small frame. But I won't play your game anymore.
I'm using the Love Meg multi-surface cleaner in the living room. In my last video, I talked more about it, so I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below.
This is who I am now.
Everyone loves the dusting mitt I use, and several of you have reached out to tell me you've gotten your own. I didn't use it today simply because it was on the 3rd floor and I had already run up there 3 previous times for things I had forgotten tonight. So that's the worst reason, but that's why I'm not using it.
I'm gonna let them talk, but I ain't following nobody else. How can I be resentful when I finally respect myself? I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turn on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am. This is who I am now. No matter what they're saying, this is who I am. This is who I am now.
I was at the
If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen in my stories that I shared that this rose bush that Dave bought me is blooming now. I love having it in the living room, but I think it'll end up outside.
night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud.
My voice is just a call away. You don't have to be afraid. You don't have to be afraid. I'll keep you safe all night and day. I'll be where you wanna be. Yes, I'll be where you wanna be. I'll be your rock, I'll be your man. Just like from where it all began. You're more than everything. You're more than everything to me. Make me a promise, tell me you love me, and I that you'll never shut me out, out, out. To me, you're a goddess. Baby, let me show you what I'm about. Call me your lover, call me whatever. Long as I'm alive, I'll try, try, try to be just completely amazing. You're the reason why. Ooh, when you're still down, when the sun is up, when you really had enough, when you really had enough. Know that you've always got a friend who was there when it
Dave cleaned the kitchen tonight, so that's all taken care of, and now we'll move on to the dining room.
I'll be your rock, I'll be your man, just like from where it all began. You're more than everything. You're more than everything to me. Make me a promise, tell me you love me, and that you'll never shut me out, out, out. To me, you're a goddess. Baby, let me show you what I'm about. Call me your lover, call me whatever. Long as I'm alive, I'll try, try, try to be just completely amazing. You're the reason why. To be just completely amazing. You're the reason why. Hey, yeah.
I've been keeping fresh flowers by the back door because we enter through there most often, but these flowers died and I don't have new ones to replace them. I'll have to add that to my list for next time. Thank you so much for spending a little of your time with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
You're a goddess. Baby, let me show you what